Please take a moment to find a quiet, safe space where you can relax for the duration of this meditation. Making sure all cell phones are silenced and the area you are in is somewhere you cannot be disturbed. One of the easiest and accessible ways to meditate is by observing your breath, not trying to change it, simply observing it, watching the air flow in and back out of your body. We can find our breath during times of stress or when we feel detached and disconnected. The breath always brings us back to ourselves. It is a relationship we carry with us from the moment of birth. The breath is the life source alive within each of us. Begin by observing your body. Noticing how you feel in this moment. Honoring yourself exactly as you showed up. And if comfortable, gently close your eyes. Within this relaxed state, begin to notice your breath, becoming aware of how it flows in and back out of the body. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking this time to simply observe without trying to change anything. Focusing on your breath as it passes in and back out of the body. Breathing in and breathing out. With this next breath cycle, notice how the air flows in through the nose, into the chest, fills up the belly, then flows back out again. As the chest and belly fall, witnessing this cycle repeat with each breath cycle. As you breathe in and breathe out. With this attention to your breathing and this awareness to your body, notice how your thoughts have slowed, how your body has softened, how you have let go of any stress. When we focus on our breathing and bring awareness to our body, our focus comes inward. This inward gaze calls for our full attention, helping us to forget the stresses of the day, bringing us back to our body, which in turn helps us reach a state of calm. Allow your breathing now to return to its natural state, giving yourself a moment to flow back into the present moment. Gently opening the eyes, and if comfortable, stretching the arms above, bringing movement back into the fingers and toes as you do. Thank you for taking this time for you and your body, and feel free to visit this meditation anytime you feel needed.